Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe I'll share with you how to make this amazing chicken wings recipe. Make sure you watch this video till the end because there's a secret that I'm showing you today, so please make sure you watch till the end. Please share and leave a comment in the comment section. So these are my chicken wings. I added ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, curry powder, white pepper, black pepper. I'm adding in salt. I added in chicken seasoning as well. I'll stir this together and make sure everything is well combined. Once everything is well combined, I'll go ahead and sprinkle just a little bit of oil on top and then rub it all over the chicken, and then I'll turn it into my bowl, cover it and marinate it for about 1 hour. 2 hours overnight is even better. So whilst it's marinating, I'll go ahead with the flour. So the spice that I added to the chicken is the same spice that I'm adding here to the flour. So I have ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, chicken seasoning, chili powder, and onion powder. So I'll stir this together till well combined again. After 1 hour, go ahead and preheat your oil. This recipe is very simple, easy, and so delicious. So after 1 hour, I'll go ahead and add the chicken to the flour. I'll coat the chicken wings in the flour. Make sure it's well coated. Once you are done coating, make sure you shake out any excess flour, and then the secret thing that I'm going to put the chicken in is cold water. Make sure the water is cold. This is very cold. I even put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes, so it's cold here. I'll then take it from the water and then back to the flour again. So I did mine twice and it was coated well. The cold water helps to form the layers, so make sure you coat it twice, like from the flour to the water to the cold water, from the cold water to the flour again. So when you are done coating it twice, go ahead and fry those bad boys, and this turned out so delicious. Instead of the cold water, you can use cold milk. Put the milk in your freezer for 30 minutes and let it be cold before dipping the chicken in it. So this is it, guys. This is very simple, it's easy, and this turned out so delicious. It's yummy-cious. Your guests will request for the recipe, and just look at how it's coated well. Just look at how it's coated well. Just look at it. This is better than street food fried chicken. Do this yourself and trust me, you're going to love it. It's going to come out well. It's going to turn out well. Just look at them. Stir this, stay close to it, and keep turning it until it's ready. So when you get to this point, you are ready. These bad boys are ready to be eaten. Just look at it, guys. Isn't it amazing? Doesn't it look delicious? I hope you give this recipe a try and leave the comment in the comment section. And I hope you're going to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. So guys, I'm done here, and this turned out so delicious. Look at this, guys. This chicken wings will take you to heaven. Try this method and let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Stay blessed and love you all. Till then, adios. And look at the inside. This was cooked well and turned out great. Bye bye.